Pregnancy. The 9-lettered word could be said to be the most crucial phase of womanhood. It's when a woman beautifully divides herself into two, and then the 9 months journey to motherhood began. But journey, a boat to motherhood, is not always a success story. With the fast-changing lifestyle and trends, the chances have increased when a child could fall easy prey to deadly disease. What is the disease and how it could affect the life of the newborn? If the recent statistics are to be believed, in India, a fast-developing country, is a home to around 6.8 crore diabetic patients. Of the total diabetic patients, 17% women faces miscarriage in the initial phase of her pregnancy. The statistics further suggests irony is that a majority of women are still unaware of this silent killer which is spreading its tentacles with each passing day. But it's true. It's deadly to be a sugar patient while you are on the way to conceive. Though the fast multiplying population has brought India into the list of fastest populating countries, but how helpful the scenario is in terms of development is still hard to conclude. Reason: dominating social evils, ignorance, superstition, untouchability and discrimination on the basis of caste and creed that has left a severe dent on the development growth of the country. The effect is so much so that the country is finding it really hard to come out of its vicious circle. Hundreds and thousands of children even today are vulnerable to various disabilities or ends up in womb. The most disturbing fact is that in the fast developing country like India, the number of victims are increasing with each passing day. A big chunk of its society are either undernourished, grappling with mental stress or suffering from various diseases. Numbers are comparatively more in the rural pockets of India, which are still yet to be brought on the development's map. Interestingly, children and women are the worst sufferers. One such disease is diabetes. Slow, silent and sweet, but deadly. Diabetes, commonly known as blood sugar, has engulfed 7% of the population in entire world. It's known to eat up the human body slowly without affecting the outer appearances of the body. Though the disease is common in man and woman both, but at the time of pregnancy, it becomes more deadly and fast. Come, let's find out how.
During pregnancy, an organ called the placenta develops in the uterus. The placenta connects the mother and baby and makes sure the baby has enough food and water. The placenta also makes several hormones. Some of these hormones make it hard for insulin to do its job controlling blood sugar, also known as blood glucose. Insulin opens your cells so that glucose can get in. During your pregnancy, your body has to make about 3 times its normal amount of insulin. Gestational diabetes develops when the organ that makes insulin, the pancreas, can't make enough insulin for pregnancy. Without enough insulin, your blood sugar can't leave the blood and be changed to energy. This causes extra sugar to build up in the blood.
In India, women are often found ignorant, especially when it comes to pregnancy or other medical issues. It's seen that they frequently skip their routine medical tests and are least aware of precautions to be taken at the time of pregnancy. Though the Government of India spends extensively on its awareness programs, educating expecting mothers about the various diseases of nutrition-rich diet, but it's yet to bring any change to the grim picture. A mother's diabetes is also called gestational diabetes. Normally, the disease is known to cause various abnormalities in the body organs, including heart, eyes, brain, and majorly the kidneys.
प्रेगनेंसी में मतलब वैसे तो प्रेगनेंसी से पहले वो इनफर्टिलिटी भी कर सकता है, लेकिन इनफर्टिलिटी मतलब प्रेगनेंसी अगर हो गई है तो अबॉर्शंस है ना, गर्भपात की संभावना भी होती है, बच्चे की ग्रोथ पे इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है। इनिशियल स्टेजेस जो जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज़ की है उसमें बिकॉज ब्लड शुगर का लेवल ज़्यादा होता है तो बच्चा ओवर ग्रो करता है, इसको हम लोग मैक्रोसिमिक बेबी कहते हैं। लार्ज साइज महिला को लगता है उसका बच्चा बड़ा तंदुरुस्त गोल मटोल बिल्कुल है, लेकिन एक्चुअली में वो स्वस्थ नहीं होता, वो सकम कर जाता है ज़रा सी भी समस्या से। इसमें अगर एबनॉर्मलिटीज़ हो सकती हैं बच्चे में, कंजेनिटल एबनॉर्मलिटीज़ इनको कहते हैं, डेवलपमेंटल एबनॉर्मलिटीज़, जिनके वजह से फिर आगे समस्याएं आती हैं। कुछ ऐसी भी कंजेनिटल एबनॉर्मलिटीज़ होती है जिनकी वजह से पानी बढ़ जाता है, माँ के पेट में पानी भी बढ़ सकता है, और इसके बाद उनमें आगे चल के ब्लड प्रेशर की भी समस्या डेवलप हो सकती है, जिसको हम लोग प्रीक्लेम्शिया और झटके आने की बीमारी हो सकती है। और बहुत ज़्यादा अनकंट्रोल डायबिटीज़ में फिर बच्चे की ग्रोथ बाद में कम भी हो जाती है, इफेक्टेड भी हो जाती है, पानी कम भी हो सकता है। लार्ज साइज़ बेबी होगा तो डिलीवरी में भी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, क्योंकि उतना बड़े साइज़ का जो बच्चा है फिर वो मदर की जो हड्डी की बनावट उसके अनुकूल उतनी नहीं होगी, तो वहाँ पे ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन हो सकता है, डिलीवरी में डिले हो सकता है, सिजेरियन सेक्शन ऑपरेशन के चांसेस बढ़ जाएंगे।
And condition even worsens when the patient is expecting a baby. It becomes a threat to both mother and unborn child. It could not only result into child's disability but also into its death. In such a situation, it becomes important for a mother to get the disease checked during the initial days of the disease. Be it the government or the voluntary organizations, continuous efforts are being made to create awareness among the expecting mothers. Checking diabetes during pregnancy is the most important program to be launched so far. Under this, expecting mothers are taught of the ways to avoid the losses caused by the disease. Under this, a patient undergoes a blood test named Oral Glucose Tolerance Test or OGTT, in which a pregnant lady is checked through glucometer between 24th to 28th weeks of her pregnancy.
फिर ये 75 ग्राम ग्लूकोज देने के 2 घंटे बाद एक वैल्यू निकाल के जो लेते हैं, ये टेस्ट WHO द्वारा भी मान्यता इस वक्त उसको मिली हुई है। हमारे फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑब्स्गाइनी सोसाइटी भी कहती है कि ये टेस्ट हमारे भारतवर्ष के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा उपयोगी है, क्योंकि इसमें फास्टिंग खाली पेट आई है कि कुछ खा के आई है इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, किसी भी कभी भी टेस्ट इसलिए कर सकते हैं। उसके एक ब्लड एक बार निकाला जाना है तो वो भी उसके लिए उतनी परेशानी नहीं होती है। और इस टेस्ट की जो रिपोर्ट्स को जो लॉन्ग टर्म उससे एनालिसिस करा गया तो ये पाया गया है कि जो परसेंटेज ऑफ डायबिटीज़ वुमेन, जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज़ कहते हैं मेलिटस, उसकी जो वुमेन थी वो नियरली सेम है जो ग्लूकोज टॉलरेंस टेस्ट पूरे 2-2.5 घंटे का करते हैं। तो जब लगभग सेम परसेंटेज की महिलाओं को हम एक सिंगल टेस्ट से डिटेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं तो उसको ही हमारे लिए करने उचित है। इसमें 75 ग्राम ग्लूकोज महिला को आते ही दे दिया जाता है और उसके 2 घंटे बाद उसको टेस्ट करना होता है, बस एक बार निकाला जाता है।
Its checking is carried out in 3 phases. First, in a 14th to 16th week of pregnancy, 24th to 28th week, and third and last in 32nd to 34th week. If sugar level and blood during the test is found 140 and above, the patient is considered to be a gestational diabetic patient. Preparation of diet plan is the first step which doctors do soon after the diagnosis of gestational diabetes. The patient is also made aware of the ways to avoid the disease and to minimize its effect. The most important thing doctors say to minimize its effect on the body is to take timely meals. At the same time, doctors also suggest regular exercise. This is during the first phase. In the second phase, pregnant woman is called after 2 weeks of diagnosis of gestational diabetes for blood sugar monitoring after 2 hours of meal, and if her blood sugar is below 120 mg/dl, she can continue same diet and exercise plan as advised by doctor. If blood sugar is above 120, she needs insulin treatment in addition to diet plan. Next and third level of monitoring is done after the 6 weeks of delivery. This is called postpartum blood sugar screening, which is done after 2 hours of meal. However, majority of doctors believe that 90% expecting mothers control the blood sugar level through exercise and diet plan. And thus, woman and child both can be saved from the complications during labor. But for this, timely detection is the most important factor. Jain Hospital, a renowned hospital based in Kanpur, is running a gestation diabetes prevention and control project on mass level. In the project, which is largest to be launched in Kanpur so far, as many as 198 hospitals are taking part. Of the total, 59 are government hospitals, while 139 are private hospitals. Under the project, which is being run jointly with World Diabetes Foundation Denmark, hospital conducts free medical checkup for expecting mothers. At the same time, they make them aware of do's and don'ts at the time of pregnancy and also hand over the diet and exercise plans. It also covers around 198 health centers where ladies' health experts are deputed. Identification of patients suffering from gestation diabetes is the main agenda of the hospital while running the project that covers all government, private, community and primary health centers. So far, the hospital has organized 232 camps in around 169 hospitals where over 24,000 expecting mothers were checked and counseled. Of the total expected mothers, 3,360 were detected as gestational diabetic patient. And almost all such patients were from the lower strata of the society, fell victim to deadly diabetes in the womb.